Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. While you can't directly use an American Express gift card on the Nintendo Switch eShop, here are a few workarounds to consider. Now, the first one is to purchase a Nintendo eShop gift card. You can visit a retail store that accepts American Express gift cards such as Walmart, Target, Best Buy, or GameStop. Purchase a Nintendo eShop gift card with the desired amount using your American Express gift card. Redeem the Nintendo eShop gift card code on your Switch to add funds to your account. Now, the second way is to link a PayPal account. Now, if you have a PayPal account, you can link your American Express gift card to it. Add PayPal as a payment method on your Nintendo Switch eShop account, and then use PayPal to check out when making purchases, drawing funds from your linked American Express gift card. A third way is to use an alternative payment method. Consider using a regular debit or credit card that Nintendo accepts directly on the eShop. If you know someone who has a credit card linked to their Nintendo account, ask them to purchase a Nintendo eShop gift card code for you using their card, and then you can later pay them by cash, or you can give them the American Express gift card which they can use for their personal use. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.